what's happening, everybody? It's your boy Charlie coming at y'all with another video. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make my air fried honey barbecue chicken wings with a little spiciness to it. Now, it's important for this recipe, you gotta have an air fryer, alright? It calls for you to make 10 chicken wingettes and 8 chicken drumettes, enough to serve 2 people, or you could be like Charlie and have it all for yourself. Because I'm sure about to eat this whole plate of chicken wings by myself. That's right. Now, the good thing is that it's made with real barbecue sauce, and you could also double or possibly triple the chicken wingettes and chicken drumettes, because the barbecue sauce, you don't have to double that because you'll have enough. Only thing you'll have to do is use your air fryer more than one time. Alright, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. This is how it looks right here. I just ate some of them not too long ago. Damn good, absolutely delicious. You're gonna really like it. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all what y'all gonna need to make your air fryer honey barbecue chicken wings. Let's get started. You will need 2 pounds, that's 8 wingettes and 10 drumettes. You will also need some canola oil. Now, if you don't want to use this, you can use any other type of oil if you like. You will also need 2 6-ounce cans, that's 12 ounces total, of hunched tomato paste, no salt added. And along with that, you will also need some vinegar, molasses, honey, liquid smoke, and some sugar. And for your seasonings, you will need some salt, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Now, if you don't have this, you can use the Zatarain's Creole seasoning or the Slappy Mama Cajun seasoning. You will also need some Chef Paul Prud'homme's Poetry Magic, onion powder, garlic powder, and some cayenne pepper. And for your air fryer, you will need a 5.5 liter air fryer, and this air fryer is by Omorc. Now, I've done a full review on this air fryer, and if you want to look at the review, or if you want to purchase this air fryer, I'll have the links to that in the description box. And there we have it. Alright, let's get straight to it. We're going to start by adding our chicken wingette and chicken drumette pieces into a strainer, and we're going to rinse this off with cold water. Now, I like to do this as a precaution to rinse off any blood or particles or anything that might be on the chicken, okay? Alright, we transferred our chicken pieces onto a chopping board. We're going to take some napkins and we're going to pat the chicken dry. Alright, we've transferred our chicken into a medium-sized container. Let's add some seasoning. We're going to sprinkle a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 2 teaspoons of Chef Paul Prud'homme's Poetry Magic, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and since I'm from New Orleans, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Using your hands, coat those seasonings onto the chicken. And I want to give you a quick note. These seasonings can be reduced by half if you think it's too much seasoning. I'm going to cover this with a lid. Place this into your fridge for 1 hour, or you can let this marinate overnight. Now let's make the barbecue sauce. In a medium-sized bowl, add 9 ounces, that's 1 1/8 of a cup of tomato paste, no salt added, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/3 cup of liquid smoke, 1/3 cup of molasses, 1/4 cup of honey. Want to make sure you get that in there. Get a little spatula to get that in there. 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and because I'm from New Orleans, gotta add a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Using a whisk, stir all ingredients together until combined. And there you have it. Homemade barbecue sauce, made from scratch. Doesn't get any better than this. Now let's begin air frying our chicken wings. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of canola oil. Using your hands, you're going to coat that canola oil onto the chicken. Now remember, you can use any type of oil if you like for this recipe, okay? Alright, we're going to start by opening up the drawer to our air fryer. And we're going to take our chicken wingette and chicken drumette pieces, and we're going to add it into the air fryer basket. We're going to place the drawer back into the air fryer. Now you're going to air fry this on 360 degrees for 15 minutes, or according to your instructions on your air fryer for air frying chicken. Alright, time is up. I'm going to go ahead and open up the drawer to my air fryer. And as you can see here, the chicken has been cooked thoroughly on both sides, so we didn't have to flip it over or anything like that. Now we're going to take our chicken wingette and drumette pieces, and we're going to add them into the barbecue sauce. I'm going to take a spoon and I'm just going to stir that barbecue sauce and coat that chicken with that barbecue sauce. Okay. Now we're going to take some tongs and we're going to remove the chicken. Now you want to make sure you shake it to remove some of that barbecue sauce off the chicken, and you're going to add it back into your air fryer basket. Now I'm going to place my air fryer drawer back into the air fryer. Now we're going to air fry this on 400 degrees for 5 minutes, or according to your air fryer's instructions on air frying chicken. Alrighty, time is up. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the drawer to the air fryer. Oh man, look at that. Those came out beautifully. Now you're going to let these cool for about 2 to 5 minutes before serving. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it. Air fried honey barbecue chicken wings with a little spiciness added to it. Made by New Orleans native. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes at www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Now it's time to go ahead and take a bite. Oh boy, it's about to get messy in here. Oh man. Look at this. Oh, I love honey barbecue chicken wings. Woo-wee. I'm going to try one of the chicken wingettes now. Oh boy, that was good. Oh man, the air fryer did a very good job. The chicken wings are nice and juicy on the inside, and on the outside it has a nice little crust. And that barbecue sauce, barbecue sauce actually has a nice little spiciness to it, which is why I should have called this recipe air fried spicy honey barbecue chicken wings, but it is what it is. The title at the beginning was long enough anyways. But man, this is really good. Oh man, I'm telling y'all, try the recipe, you won't be disappointed. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and until next time, have a blessed one. Peace. I don't know. Let's see what we got here. Look at this.